preaching God's word. God Himself, through miracles, kept His word firmly rooted. The words preached by Joseph Vaz were firmly rooted by God through miracles. He walked on the water, crossed the Deduru Oya river, and thus celebrated sacraments for the faithful longing for God. When going through the forest, He calmed down a restless elephant. In the state of Kandy, He suffered imprisonment because of faith, and through the miracle of rain, God freed him from the prison. In this way, in the state of Kandy, he got the permission to preach his religion openly. He got the permission from the king to bring a priest from Goa.
गेल्ल्या वर्सा भलायकी सायबिणीची इगोर्ज जी सांकवाळची आदली इगोर्ज हांगासर आमची नोवेना आनी परब जाली. लोकांक जायत्यो सवलती मेळ्ळ्यो. ह्याय वर्सा आमची नोवेना आनी परब ह्याच नव्या जाग्यार जातली. ह्या दिसांनी नोवेना आमची आर्च डिओसीसचे वेबसायटीचेर आमकां पळोवंक मेळटली. www.archgoadaman.com